Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. So, currently at maximum excitement for Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4, which look right now to be surefire new entrants into our best foldable phones buying. But, before these two new folding Galaxy phones even launch, we've just had our first information reported about next year's Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 handset. There is also speculation about a better resolution which will improve the display quality. The device is also expected to be more durable and provide a satisfactory experience to tech lovers. Some more features such as a better camera, connectivity options, and a bigger processor are also rumored. Samsung has a history of launching its Galaxy Z Fold phones in August or September every year. The first phone in the series was released in September 2019, the second in September 2020, the third in August 2021, and the fourth in August. So, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will likely arrive in late August or early September 2023. That said, Samsung is planning to sell over 10 million Fold 5 and Flip 5 units in 2023. After the major success of foldable phones, this can be a good number for Samsung. However, the figure is quite low considering this year's sales. Foldable phones are generally quite expensive as they are engineering marvels. Therefore, it is no surprise that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is priced at around $1,800. The device has always been priced quite high as they have impeccable displays that can bend so effortlessly without breaking. The 2023 foldable phone is expected to be priced at over $2,000. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is rumored to arrive with an extravagant 7.6 inches display. The upcoming phone might also have the Android 12 operating system. It is also rumored to house a 5500 mAh battery that will allow one to use the phone for a longer duration without battery drainage. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 next-generation flagship processor. The mobile application processor is a next-generation chip that is expected to be unveiled at the end of 2022. Galaxy Z Fold 5 will also come packing Samsung's ISOCELL GN3 sensor for its primary rear camera. This is a 50-megapixel sensor with pixel size of 1 micrometer, so it looks like the Fold 5 is going to deliver for photography enthusiasts as well. Photographers will be able to use the phone for portraits and professional photography. Some features on the camera setup could include digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, and touch to focus. Moreover, one can up their selfie game and look great on video calls as the Fold 5 is rumored to have a 16MP plus 10MP front camera. Moreover, the phone will be equipped with 12GB of RAM, which will allow users to switch between multiple apps faster. It is also possible that the phone will have 256GB of internal storage. This would be a treat for people who love to store memories on their phones, and for those who want to download films, games, and songs on the phone without fretting about space limitations. Well, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.